This is how you can make this files icon in Figma. Let's go. Let's draw the rectangle like this. All right. Move it down a little bit. Let's add a stroke and remove the fill. And this position to center. Stroke value 1.5. And then click here. The join round it. Let's double click and add 1 point here. One more point here. And now select this part and move it a little bit down. All right. Now select this entire part and the corner radius to 1. Actually, no, let's make the radius to 2. Now press P for pen tool and then draw the line here. Now let's select the top part, move it a little bit down, and also this to a little bit to the right. Now duplicate it and move it a little bit to the right. Now let's select these points and move them a little bit to the top. And now let's select this point, move a little bit to the top. Now let's select this one and corner radius 1. Also let's select this one and radius to 1. And we are done. Thanks a lot for watching, guys, and check out hugeicons.com for beautiful icons for your design and development projects. Goodbye.